finna put up these in the car. I'm not sure if it shows it right there. I'm gonna put these in the car today. And right now I'm gonna have to find all the tools just to get this stuff out. But it's not gonna be that hard because I know I need like a needle nose plier or something to squeeze onto this because this is really tight on here. And I looked up, they said do not, it's not like do not, but you don't have to take the door panel off just to take this thing out and replace it. All they just told me is to twist it off. So right now I'm gonna find one of those needle nose pliers so I can put this thing on right here. So it's gonna look so nice on here because it's gonna contrast with the red and black interior that I got. And it's kind of silverish, so that's awesome. With the way that this has a chrome look to it. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find the pliers at the house. Alright guys. Alright, so I just found these. It took me a long time right now. And I'm gonna show this. I heard though on this thing that you're supposed to have some type of fabric or something in between it, and to just not to damage your stuff, because if you take it off and you want to put it back on and have like an OEM type of style back to it, that's why you don't want to damage it. But really, I don't care because I do not want to put this thing back on. But if I do, at least I have it, or I want to sell it, I don't care. But yes, I'm gonna try using napkins. Alright, so what I'm about to do right now is I'm gonna get this thing right here, and I'm going to do this thing. So let's do this. So I'm trying to put it right here because I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like that. Take this thing and then twist. Is it twisting? Nope, it's not twisting at all. I just give up. So take this like that. Is it twisting? It is though. Now it's twisted. This is. Oh my God. We got it off. Okay, we got it off. All right, now I'm gonna put this thing on. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, let's put this on. Now, I don't like it. It's short. So, it's locked. And it's... You can't see it. I might see... It's weird. You get out the door, you can see it. Alright, you can see it. Come in, lock the door, you can't see crap. It's like you stuck for real. You can't. No. I can't get out. No, I can't. Like, no. What? That don't make no sense. It don't. It don't make no sense. You can't see it. Look, you can see this. And it's locked. I didn't get out. And it's unlocked. It is up. It is up. Like, bruh. I can't get out. Is that a safe hazard? I don't even know. I love the color, but I don't like it. I don't know. I'm going to have to switch these out off the bat because I wasn't about to put this on permanently because I don't like the shape of these. But I'm gonna for real switch these out to the ones I got in the back. Cause like, bruh. Like, I can't even scoop back. Oh my god, I got to mess up again. But look at it. Look at that. I don't know how this one gonna look like back here, but it will show better than this. I don't like it. I love it and I don't like it. It's like a hate and love relationship. You can't see crap. And it's peeing me. It's not. It's alright. Like I always say, it's alright. I'm gonna try better next time. Alright. Why is it so short? But alright. It's short and we just gonna have to fix it. No, we ain't gonna fix it. If I fix it, I'm gonna put it back to the original size. Or I'm gonna look for something else that has more chrome and then red and then bigger. Cause why is this one so short? Like it matches this off the bat. Yes. Look at that. It's so short. No, don't want black. Black matched in with the other black. You can't really see it. And this one, it's like what the crap is this. Do you look? Hey, how you doing? Get out my red car. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Nice and blah. That's what I see. I say blah. I'm gonna do the other 3. I don't want to do the back. If I do the back, that'd be more disappointed. It'd be hair hiding with the silver part. I don't want to see that. I might as well try. It hurts my heart to see it. See that. Look at this. And it's up to its unlock. Unlock, lock it. Unlock, lock it. So I'm gonna keep it. I like it because it looks nice, but I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. It's a freaking size in here. I got one more to go. This one right here is different. It has a little curve to it. This one's even worse. So this one's even worse. Oh my god. Alright. Maybe unlock the door. Unlock the door. How's the other one? How's the other one more higher than this one? Look at this. The one I just did. And now, what's the first one freaking lower than the other one. I don't know how that happens because I never touched the inside of the doors. That's higher. Look at this. Higher than the first one. And it doesn't make sense. This is at the same height as the first one. I mean, this one. So how is it like that? So how is it like that? I don't